In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calibrate measurement tools in Stack. Whether you're new to Stack or have been using it for some time, proper calibration is crucial to ensure the accuracy of your work and the precision of your measurements. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Stack login page. You can easily find it by visiting the website. When you're there, you'll notice several options to log in. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Login with Google option. It's a convenient and secure way to access your account if you've previously set it up that way. If you haven't already, you may want to set up Google Login in advance for smoother access in the future. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the main dashboard where all your current projects are displayed. Go ahead and select the project that you're working on. This will bring up all the details and files related to that specific project. Next, navigate over to the Plans and Takeoffs section. This is where we keep all the visual and data resources that you'll be referencing. Click on the particular plan or drawing that you intend to calibrate. It's important you choose the correct plan here, as the measurements you take will depend on the specific details of that plan. With your plan open, you'll want to initiate a new scale by clicking on the New Scale button. This is where we begin the calibration process by defining a measurement scale specifically for this plan. After you've clicked New Scale, you'll then click on Calibrate. The Calibrate button allows you to input a specific known measurement from your drawing or plan. This known dimension will serve as the reference point for calibrating all other measurements in this session. You'll want to type in the precise measurement value from your drawing. Make sure this measurement is accurate, as this value will anchor the whole calibration process. Once you've entered the known measurement, click on Measure. This will transition you into the measuring mode. To begin the actual calibration, click on the start point of your known measurement. Then move your cursor to the end point of the measurement and click again. This action sets the scale for the entire plan. If done correctly, a scale will be created and displayed at the bottom right of your screen. This small detail allows you to visually verify that the calibration has been successful and is correctly applied. And there you have it, your plan is now calibrated based on your specified plan's measurement. Calibration helps in achieving greater accuracy and precision in all subsequent measurements you perform within that plan. Remember, if you have multiple plans, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Thanks for watching and happy measuring.